Are you looking for the best spark plugs for gas mileage in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best spark plugs for gas mileage that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the NGK 7090 BKR5 EGPG Power Spark Plug. If fuel efficiency is your main concern, the NGK 7090 BKR5 EGP is the perfect spark plug to go for. As a plus point, it is also quite inexpensive and durable. So if you think these are things you are looking for, make sure to check out this product. These G-Power spark plugs promise to provide you with the best performance. Lower emissions and faster starts are some of the areas where this product does not disappoint. It has a 0.6 mm laser welded fine platinum tip that ensures low voltage usage, thus increasing durability and more consistently stable sparks. This thing even minimizes flashover and offers better throttle response. All of this is possible thanks to the specially designed insulator nose with corrugated ribs. The manufacturers have placed a trivalent metal plating, which makes the plug resistant to corrosion. No need to worry about combustion gas leaks anymore either, as there is a triple gasket seal intended to stop just that. Overall, this is a very good and affordable product. The materials used to make these plugs not only make sure to maintain the sharpness of the electrodes, but also boost the engine life. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ENA Set of 8 spark plugs. When you are looking for the best spark plug for gas mileage, it would be a shame not to mention the ENA Set of 8 spark plugs. These plugs are some of the best on the market, and we are confident that by the end of this review, you will agree to that. These plugs are made for original equipment and replacement applications. Every single one of these components works to make the OE design better for quick and easy installation. They are not only reliable but also offer some of the best performance. Not just that, these are also highly durable and will provide you with better ignitability and improved gas mileage. This thing has a center electrode tip that does not wear easily and can give you a long time service for years to come. With this, you will not have to worry about issues such as poor gas mileage, engine misfire, and slow acceleration. These plugs are the solution to all of these problems. For durability, the manufacturers have made sure to make these shock, heat, and vibration resistant. It even has a sturdy thread and shell for protection against wear and tear. So if you are looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy to install product, this can be a good choice for you. At number 3, we have the genuine Hyundai spark plugs. This next spark plug on our list is another reliable one that is just as good as the others. The genuine Hyundai spark plug 18847111160 can be a great replacement to your old plug for your Hyundai. First of all, this 2.4-ounce product will not only have your engine running smoother with greater acceleration, but it will also provide you with a better throttle response. Not just that, it will also improve your gas mileage, which means it will run better than ever and at a lower cost. It is the perfect OEM replacement for your old plugs that have only been dragging your engine down. This thing is pretty easy to install as well, so you will be saving some money there if you decide to do it on your own. It even helps your engine run a lot quieter as well. There is not much of a difference in terms of power, but the plug surely works as well as any other does its job pretty well. This is quite a good product for the reasonable price that it offers. With better acceleration and throttle response and an overall performance boost, this is one of the best spark plugs for Hyundai on the market right now. At number 2, we have the NGK 5464 BKR5EIX11 Iridium iX spark plug. Are you on the lookout for a spark plug that will provide you with exceptional performance, smooth idling, and better throttle response? If so, we have just the thing for you. The NGK 5464 BKR5EIX11 does all that and more. This particular model has been specially designed to provide the best ignitability and instant throttle response. The 0.6 mm fine Iridium tip keeps the plug from using too much voltage and boosts durability while also providing a stable spark. Here, the electrical quenching effect is also reduced, thanks to the ground electrode. This thing will help you get that buttery smooth idling, along with a better performance overall. The way the spark plug is designed is to have insulation for chambers using ribbed insulation grooves. As a result, your plug has a much lower chance of misfiring. Being an Iridium spark plug, this thing has incredibly high durability, which means it will not wear easily and give a long service. It also has a high melting point, which means it can withstand a lot of heat without getting affected. However, the greatness of this product does come at a price, just like any other Iridium plug. That price is quite a high one, but needless to say, it is completely worth it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Platinum Plus 4 spark plug. The next product on our list is another great one that is also quite affordable. So if you are on a budget and looking for a good, inexpensive spark plug, this can be just what you need. This thing has a fine wire design, which does a great job enhancing the performance and offering better ignitability. The platinum firing tip, along with the yttrium ground electrode, this thing offers twice as much longer service than many of the copper plugs. Its wiring pin also has a low voltage requirement and has a copper core ground electrode that transfers heat better and has a wide heat range to remove chances of pre-ignition and fouling. It has a nickel-plated shell featuring rolled threads that do not require anti-seize. The nickel shell not only makes it anti-seize, but also provides protection from corrosion. There is also no need for gapping, as the manufacturers have gone with a ribbed insulator design that blocks flashover. With this, your car will run smoother, accelerate more, and just perform much better than your old worn spark plug. Just check your car's requirements and see if this will be a good fit for your engine.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.